Brian here with HelpSellMyRV.com out of Louisville, Kentucky, where all RVs are for sale by owner. I'm going to do a walk around on this beautiful 2018 Keystone Alpine 3661FL front living room 6-slide luxury fifth wheel. Go ahead and get started on the inside and then finish up the video by showing you the outside. Overall exterior length is 39 feet 1 inch, and the exterior height to the dual large 15,000 BTU low profile Whisper Quiet AC units is 13 feet 4 inches. The unloaded vehicle weight is on this little yellow telltale sticker on the frame of the door, and it is 13,540 pounds. That is the weight when it came off the assembly line. Give you an idea of the floor plan here before I get started. This is a second owner coach. I know the owner, and I've known him for about 10 years. And he buys really nice stuff, and he takes care of his stuff. This is a true Four Seasons camper. This camper is rated at negative 14 degrees. And this camper is equipped with a 16,500 BTU heat pump up in the living room area, and that ducts through all the way through the camper. All right. This is a 6-slide coach. First slide out is going to be up in the living room area here. This is a front living room floor plan. It's going to accommodate the first slide. That's going to accommodate the ultra leather sleeper sofa. It's a tri-fold sleeper sofa. Sleeps 2 grown adults comfortably. Excellent condition. Inside, this camper is 100% excellent condition. You do have the roller blinds. Forgot to put them up. Here we go. They're day and night roller blinds. These are the ones you want. Best in the industry. Your window treatment's going to be a shade of brown, and your wood finish is going to be, I believe, a cherry finish. It's going to be the theater seating, dual recliners, and let's see here. Little pulls here, and that's how they recline. Cup holders, excellent condition. Color is again the brown color, and I believe they're by Thomas Payne. And this is going to be the second slide out, and it's the trifold sleeper sofa, again brown in color, fabrics, ultra leather, and sleeps 2 grown adults comfortably. Front entertainment center area, 50-inch flat screen Furrion TV. Does have home theater surround sound. There's that Furrion stereo system right there. Show off that Furrion badge right there. Bluetooth hooks up to your smart device. Has all the good stuff. Your fireplace is going to be, I believe, at least a 4,800 BTU heating source. And your furnace on this coach is a 35,000 BTU furnace. Beautiful entertainment center area. Show off the carpet. All the carpet in excellent condition. Ducted heat, ducted AC all the way through. And again, it does have the dual low profile large 15,000 BTU Whisper Quiet AC system on this. Quietest in the industry. And it's because they scatter their returns out just like a residential HVAC system. Definitely the quietest in the industry. A fantastic vent fan there while I'm panning on that. All right. In the kitchen area, it's a island kitchen and solid surface countertops all throughout. Large stainless steel sink. Pull-out sprayer faucet. Looks like all the hardware and your faucet is going to be a brushed nickel finish, and brushed nickel on all your hardware on the cabinets. Refrigerator is an upgrade. This is the optional 18 cubic foot refrigerator, residential, with a standalone dedicated inverter, 1,000 watt inverter. So when you're driving down the road, it keeps your refrigerator cold. This was an option. And there is an ice maker. It's by Samsung. Show off the Samsung badge right there. This is also the third slide out. So the refrigerator and the oven and stovetop are all in the third slide out. Furrion convection oven. Beautiful 3-burner gas cooktop by Furrion. A lot of residential feel on this. And you do have the solid surface backsplash back here. And again, solid surface countertops. And also a Furrion oven with the glass front, which is more residential. There you go. Spin around here and show off that island kitchen. All your drawer fronts, all your cabinets are all solid wood. Double garbage cans. You get the idea there. Show off the huge pantry area. Thermostat here, operate your AC and heat, and this looks like a charging station here. And again, solid surface countertops even in the corner here. Little corner nook. Alright, this is going to be the fourth slide out. Accommodates the freestanding table and chairs. That table does have an add-a-leaf, and you can pull this out. And there are 2 chairs somewhere around here, extra chairs, but let's show off the fabrics here while I'm showing it off. Different colors of browns and tans. And again, excellent condition. And again, the MCD roller blinds, day and night roller blinds. Okay, let's speed this video up a little bit. Almost forgot the most important part. Dishwasher. Definitely neat. And this is the in-command remote system. Ties into your any smart device, your iPhone, and you can actually operate pretty much everything on this camper. The leveling system, slides, lights, awning, everything on this coach. You can operate everything from your smart device when you're away from the camper, which is really cool. All right, and your traffic area in the kitchen, it's that neat looking, it looks like a stone plank flooring, and it's a vinyl finish. In the hallway here, here's where the combo washer and dryer unit is. And I guess you could put a stackable in there if you wanted that option. This camper is 50 amp service, obviously. Master bath has a foot flush porcelain toilet. Residential, 1-piece shower with skylight. And you do have seating right there. And you do have solid surface countertops also in the bathroom. Sometimes manufacturers will cut corners in cost by putting a Formica top in the bathroom. Medicine cabinet. Alright. This does have a wine guard. It's a Wi-Fi extender. It was $500. I try to show you the box. It's out by the steps, but that was something that the first owner installed. So this has a Wi-Fi extender on it. All right, master bedroom. This is going to be the 5th slide out. The king bed slides out. Beautiful, comfortable, ultra plush mattress, and I'm one-handed here, so storage up underneath the bed. And your headboard is going to be the ultra leather finish. Kind of show off that there. And nice reader lights. And this is going to be your 6th slide out. And the TV is looks like maybe a 42-inch, maybe even a 48-inch flat screen Furrion TV in the bedroom. see if I can open this door here. Close it. Show off that LED glass, that etched glass. Look. And lots of closet space, by the way. And you do have a rear window in the bedroom. Let's open that up. There you go. I think you get the idea. All right. This is pretty much fully loaded. The only thing this camper really does not have is the generator. Give you one last look at the floor plan here before we go outside. Ceiling fan, almost forgot that. All right. There's the Wi-Fi extender right there, and that was right around 500 bucks, I believe, installed on the camper. That's what the owner told me. But all right, back up here. It's going to be a full gel coat fiberglass finish. This is a triple insulated, has block foam insulation, has foil wrap, and the batten insulation. And I believe your R values on the floor are going to be 40. R value in the floor, R10 in the sidewall, and I believe R28 on the roof. It's going to be some of the most competitive insulation you're going to find. Beautiful front and rear molded fiberglass caps. Some of the Alpines will not have the fiberglass rear cap, but this one does. Beautiful Alpine badge right there. All decals in excellent condition. It does have the Rotoflex Trail Air pin box, which is definitely nice. And a mirror also for when you're hitching. Huge storage on the outside, probably some of the best storage on a fifth wheel, and I'll show you the reason why up in the bedroom area. Battery disconnect right there, and 1,000-watt inverter also. That was for your refrigerator. Again, all your decals in excellent condition. Beautiful frameless bus style windows. 80% tin, I believe. Solar charging right here. It's going to be your hydraulic system right there in case you need to service it. Slam latch baggage doors, and almost pretty much all the baggage doors are all insulated. See if I can show off in here. Let's get some light in here. Let's see what we can do. Huge storage right here. There's your aluminum framing. This thing is all aluminum frame. Slam latch baggage doors, gotta love them. Oh, this does have the really cool solid step system. Best step, entry step you're gonna get on a fifth wheel, and it folds up nice and clean up into the camper when you're transporting. Exterior speakers. The awning, I believe, is a 17-foot awning, excellent condition. All the LED light strips are all working. Beautiful. Kind of slow down here and show off that side. That gel coat finish, beautiful finish on this camper. Your awning is fully adjusting too. Your tires are going to be in wheels. They're going to be 16-inch wheels, and they are aluminum. Let's see here. They are G-rated. See if I can get a good angle on them. Excellent condition. These are some of the best tires you're going to get, and the best load rating. Again, G-rated, and it does have the suspension system that almost is like an independent suspension system with shocks, but this little bushing takes up the brunt of the impact when you're traveling. This does obviously have the 6-point auto level system, which you can remotely access with your phone. Spare tire right there. There's your enclosed heated underbelly. And again, rated at negative 14 degrees. This is all up underneath the bedroom area in the rear. This is the reason why it's some of the largest storage you're going to find. Again, insulated slam latch baggage doors. Yeah, one-handed here. There we go. Huge storage. Again, your aluminum framing. Let's back up here, kind of show off that nice shiny finish. Ladder and your rear, beautiful rear molded fiberglass cap. Ladder to get up on your full walk-on roof. This does have backup camera. There it is. It's not just prepped. It also has the backup camera. And you do have a hitch on the rear. Beautiful rear cap with those LED brake lights. So you got 3 slides on the front and 3 on the back. 50 amp service. There's your marine style cord. That unplugs and stows away nice and clean when you're transporting. And again, this is all up underneath the bedroom. Really cool. And this is all heated compartment area. There's all your heating right there. It's all radiant, and you also have a heat duct right there where my finger is pointing. But all heated compartment areas on this camper. And this is your waterworks hookup station. Again, all protected from the elements and heated. All your gate valves are all right up there at the top left, and outside shower to the right of that. Water heater bypass when you go to winterize. Pretty easy to winterize. Look at that. 10 outlets, all the good stuff. Freshwater hookup, that's probably your black tank sewer flush. Satellite prep, all the good stuff right here. Yeah, pretty easy to figure out. 12-gallon gas electric direct spark ignition water heater. Beautiful camper. This coach will never delaminate. The way that the sidewalls are built, it won't delaminate. It won't bubble, which is really cool. Okay, 2 30-pound LP tanks right there. This is going to be your manual leveling setup. Zoom in on that. There are the directions. Easy to figure out. Back up here. I do want to point out this camper, as far as condition, it's a 10, but currently the owner, he accidentally got this little plastic clip right here. It's a little plastic piece, a $10 piece. He's going to replace it. The part just hadn't came in yet, but it's a non-issue. But this definitely, I would rate this a 10, and I think any dealer would agree with me. Beautiful camper. I always say it. I know I didn't get everything, but this thing's pretty much fully loaded. If you want to come and see the camper, call the number on the ad or dial 502-645-3124. If you want to keep up to date on RVs coming for sale by owner in the Louisville, Kentucky area, you can always follow HelpSellMyRV.com on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube.